It's our second day in the historic city of Samarkand, and now we will look at the famous Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan translates to the sandy place, and it used to be the city center of the ancient Samarkand, and it was built in the 15th century, so I think it will be quite impressive. So we came across this event, we just wanted to take a look, but of course we got invited again. They just pulled me at my arm to come in. We thought it just might be a wedding, but after talking to some people it turned out it is the 12th birthday of a child here. So it's like really incredible, but the food is really nice and we're just enjoying it right now.
Today is the last day in Samarkand and we're exploring the old city.
And it's also my last day with you guys, because I'm gonna stay here in Uzbekistan.
Yeah, we will have to say bye to Jacob.
Yeah, I have to say goodbye to you.
This was our last vlog. We're now back in Almaty, and tomorrow we will fly home after having traveled for 1 whole month to Central Asia.
We really hope you enjoyed traveling with us in our shirt pocket, and we want to thank everybody who supported us and made this even possible. And we also want to say thanks to Jacob, who joined us on our trip, which was a big surprise, but it was very nice. We were a great team, and yeah, we are really looking forward to future projects, and thank you for watching.